Number 5. This stainless steel semi-automatic whisk blender by Newness is a game changer for any home cook or baker looking to streamline their mixing processes. With its classic design and sleek silver color, this versatile kitchen tool effortlessly combines style with functionality. Measuring at 11.97 inches in length and 2.37 inches in width, the Newness WYSIWHISK is compact yet powerful. Its semi-automatic feature makes it a joy to use, saving you time and effort in the kitchen. The fact that this whisk blender is dishwasher safe is a significant convenience, allowing for easy cleanup after each use. The stainless steel construction ensures durability and longevity, making it a reliable addition to your kitchen arsenal. Whether you're whisking eggs, blending batters, or mixing sauces, the Newness WYSIWHISK delivers consistent results with ease. Its user-friendly design makes it suitable for everyone, from novice cooks to seasoned chefs. Overall, the Newness WYSIWHISK is a must.
Number 4. The Norpro 2063. Nonstick 3-sided splatter guard is a must-have kitchen accessory for anyone who values cleanliness and efficiency while cooking. This splatter guard boasts a non-stick surface that makes cleaning a breeze, saving you time and effort during meal preparations. The compact design of the Norpro 2063 ensures that it can be easily stored without taking up much space in your kitchen. Crafted by the reputable brand Norpro, known for producing high-quality kitchen essentials, this splatter guard is a reliable addition to your culinary arsenal. Weighing only 10.88 ounces, it is lightweight and easy to handle, ensuring that you can use it comfortably while cooking.
Number 3. The Korri 18 Functions. Rice cooker by Korri is a versatile kitchen appliance that offers convenience and efficiency for all cooking enthusiasts. With a capacity of 10 cups, this rice cooker can easily handle meals for families or gatherings. The product dimensions of 12.3 inches in diameter, 10.6 inches in width, and 9.2 inches in height make it a compact addition to any kitchen countertop. One of the key highlights of the Korri rice cooker is its 18 pre-programmed functions, which provide a wide range of cooking options beyond just rice. From steaming vegetables to slow-cooking stews, this appliance caters to various culinary needs with ease. The corded electric power source ensures consistent performance, while the dishwasher-safe design simplifies the cleaning process. Overall, the Korri 18 Functions rice cooker combines functionality, convenience, and ease of maintenance, making it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Whether you are a busy professional or a home cook looking.
Number 2. This twisted potato slicer by Huff is a handy tool for creating spiral cut potatoes easily at home. Made from a combination of stainless steel, alloy steel metal, and rubber, it offers a sturdy and durable construction that ensures long-lasting performance. The slicer comes in an elegant silver and black color combination, adding a touch of sophistication to your kitchen tools. One of the notable features of this product is the protective film that comes with it, providing an extra layer of safety during use and storage. The blade materials used in this slicer include plastic metal and alloy steel, ensuring precise and efficient cutting of vegetables every time. With its round blade shape, you can achieve uniformly spiral-cut potatoes for a visually appealing presentation. Measuring 10 inches in length, 4.7 inches in width, and 5.4 inches in height, this slicer is compact enough to store easily in your kitchen drawer or cupboard. Weighing just 2.1 pounds, it is lightweight yet.
Number 1. The Hawkins Ceramic Nonstick 3.5-liter deep kadai is a standout addition to any kitchen. Crafted with high-quality ceramic material, this kadai offers a durable and reliable cooking experience. The nonstick feature ensures that your food cooks evenly and prevents sticking, making it a breeze to clean after use. One of the key advantages of this product is its versatility. It is compatible with both gas and electric stovetops, allowing users to switch between cooking methods with ease. Additionally, the inclusion of a well-fitted lid helps to lock in flavors and nutrients while cooking. With a generous capacity of 3.5 liters, this deep kadai is ideal for preparing large quantities of food, making it suitable for families and gatherings. The sleek gray color adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen setting.
Overall, the Hawkins ceramic nonstick 3.5-liter deep kadai is a reliable, well-designed cookware essential for everyday cooking needs. Its exceptional nonstick properties,